Hey, what's up guys? So we have a cool transformation that we're about to do. That is the Mercedes GLE that is behind me. So what you guys can see right now is actually plugged in, it's on the trickle charger, because this is gonna be a relatively long project. And I'll tell you why. We are wrapping this entire white truck into Inozetek's new Super Gloss Midnight Metallic Green. So it's a huge contrast between the white and the Midnight Metallic. So that's why it's gonna be a crazy project. And when you work on these trucks, you definitely wanna keep them plugged in so the batteries don't get drained while the doors are off. Yeah, I can't wait to get started, and I cannot wait to show you guys the finished results. We'll see you guys in a bit. The Mercedes is still white on this side, but let me show you guys the other side. They have been working like crazy trying to get this flawless finish. So as you can see, the entire door jamb's done right now. Raja's in the process of putting everything together. And he's doing the easy stuff. Actually, Lisa's doing the hard stuff right now. She's literally wrapping the inside of the doors. And you can see how everything is literally taken apart just so we can get that paint-like finish. So when they open up the doors, it's gonna be all green. So covering up this white is a lot of work, but the team is absolutely killing it right now. Except Raja, he just always looks like he's not even trying.
So as you can see, this car was white, and we're wrapping it in Inozetek green. It's like midnight green. It has a really nice finish, and this is the new color from Inozetek. It's pretty nice, looks like paint, and as you can see on the doors, and we did the inside of the doors, the door jambs, which is pretty hard to do. When you see the stickers, we don't remove the stickers, we cut them by hand, and we remove all the hardware, even the doors. We remove the doors, we remove all the inside pieces, so we can get a really pristine and really nice finish. As you can see here on this side of the doors, we have to go deep and do it in a way the material doesn't fail and it looks like it's painted. So this look is very hard to achieve, and it's a lot of hard work involved in this kind of stuff. So far the car looks so good. There's no hiccups, there's no hard points there. Everything went out so smooth. There's a really nice finish. There are no glue lines, there's no dust. So I can say this is one of the nicest and cleanest car we have, not ever, but like one of the top 10s we have done.
Just doing a final checkup, making sure everything is nice and tight, but it looks like the team absolutely killed it. We actually even put some door sill protectors just in case when they get in and out of the car, you don't have to worry about them damaging the vinyl. So we put those in the front and the rear for them. And yeah, because what you want to make sure of, that this truck used to be white. So if any chip or damage happens, it's going to show the white underneath. And that's one of the reasons why we actually protected the full front end of this car, of this GLE, and also the rocker panels with the fender flares that go in the back. Fender flares for obvious reasons, because so the rocks don't damage the flares in the back from the front tires. But this thing looks absolutely stunning with the color combo on the interior, I think the owner is really going to be happy with it. So it is a Saturday, and we did take a little bit more time on this truck than we expected, but I think the owner is going to be really happy with it. So we are doing a Saturday delivery for him, and he should be showing up in about an hour so we could do the final reveal. But before that, let's take it outside and see what it looks like outside in the sun.